Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video. In this video, my friends, I am doing quick honey roasted pecans to add to my salad. So here we go. We have some pecans here. We need about maybe about a cup of this. Oh, these are nice, big and chunky. I'm just going to put it in here because all we need is a cup of honey. Sorry, a cup of this. Oh, so the whole bag. Alright. And you can leave it that size or you can just chop it up a little bit. This is perfect. This is just one bag of this. Is actually perfect. Okay, I'm going to chop this up a little bit. Just in two so that I can have some big chunks in my salad. I am trying to make a salad from Wendy's and it calls for yeah, so just these big ones I'm just chopping in two. That's it. Alright. And then I'm going to move it to a bowl. And in this bowl, I'm just going to add maybe a tablespoon of honey. Any honey will do. I'm just going to grab my spatula. And I'm just going to mix this around a bit so that all the pieces of pecan gets honey on it. Right? Simple, my friends, simple. It just takes 5 minutes to make this. This is honey roasted pecan that we're making. And then I'm going to put this on parchment paper lined baking sheet. I'm just going to spread it out a bit. All the pieces has honey on it. Now, I'm going to put this in the oven. I'm going to put this in the oven for 20 minutes. Okay? Okay, my friends, this is the roasted pecan. This is honey roasted pecan done. Make sure you're not leaving it in the oven for too long because you're going to get it burnt. It's nice and brown. And yeah, and sweet, right? That honey sweetness. And remember, we're using this on a salad. Remember, our honey roasted pecan goes into the salad. Oh, honey roasted pecan goes into the salad. Then I'm going to sprinkle some blue cheese on it. Oh yeah. Right. Go out, my friends, try this recipe and let me know what you think. I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.